since I talked about creating a business online, I know that there are many of you who have decided to start, learning and start putting their business online. If you are the kind of person who doesn't know how to set up a business or how to go from step to step, from beginner level to advanced level, professional level of putting your business online, so this video is going to help you. So all you just need to do is to watch from the starting to the end. Hey friends, my name is Philip, and if you love what I do, please do not forget to hit on the subscribe button. If you are new here, please click on the subscribe button and watch to the end. And you've always be here with me, let's rock and roll. So having a business online is one of the most lucrative way you make money currently. There are a lot of businesses you can create online or establish online that can start giving you a lot of money. So in this my video up here, I talked about skills that you can learn that you can also easily convert to become a digital skill that you can use to start making money online. And if you want to start any of this business, just click on the video and watch to the end of it. So in this video, I'm going to help you understand how you can put your business online. For example, you are the kind of person who doesn't know how to set up your business or how to, start your business from scratch and then bring it online. So I'm going to tell you a tool that you can use that can help you with that. So since I've been using this tool, it has been helping me, and this tool is free, and you must have heard about this tool, but you have never made any use of it. So now, what is the tool am I trying to talk about? It's very easy. The tool is AI. AI is one of the most useful tool that everyone is using in the world today. AI can do a lot of things. The good thing about this key is that it is carryable. I mean, you can take it everywhere you are going to. Why? Because we have it in our phone. From ChatGPT app to browsers on our phone or our computer. We also have it on Facebook, WhatsApp, Instagram, and more. AI is everywhere in our phone, in the browser, in the internet. We can have it to use, and in most cases they are all free. You can use it to do anything that you want to do. You can use it to create content, you can use it to write text, you can use it to create images, and you can use it basically for everything you want to do. So now, how can you use it to start up a business online? It is very easy. If you are that kind of person that already have something you want to put online, probably a skill, you want to set up your skill online, all you just need to do is to ask AI, give AI a details about your skill and see what is going to tell you about it, about putting it online, the step you need to take to put it online. For example, you are the kind of person that have a course that you want to start selling online. All you just need to do is to go to ChatGPT, or you can go to your WhatsApp, the AI on your WhatsApp, the Meta AI on your WhatsApp, or on your Facebook, or your Instagram, any of them. But I recommend you use that of WhatsApp because I've been using it for a very long time. It has been giving me everything I wanted. So all you just need to do is to go to your WhatsApp and type on your test space. Give me a step by step from beginner level to a finish level on how I can start selling my courses online, and then write the name of the course to it. If you have any other things you feel like adding to it, just add it in a way that AI will understand whatever you are saying. And then wait for a few seconds, and then AI is going to analyze everything from start to finish on how you can set that your business online. And if you can follow it step by step as AI has given you, you come to see that in a shorter run, you'll have your business online. That is how I do establish business online. I ask AI, AI will tell me, and then I start following it step by step. So AI is one of the great tools that you should start making use of today. A lot of people who are making use of this tool, they are really benefiting a lot from it. Just like me, I'm really benefiting a lot from AI today. I use AI to create content, I use AI to create images, I use AI to build websites, I use AI to generate anything that it can do. I use AI for it, and it has made life easier for me. So I believe the little I've been able to say in this video suffice. So you just go ahead and start making use of AI today, and you are going to see how important it is to your daily life. All right, stay good and stay cool till we meet in the next video. Bye bye.